Welcome to this 3-minute yoga nidra practice. This practice is actually designed so that you can practice yoga nidra anywhere, that you can take a moment to pause and you're not doing anything that requires your attention. This is not designed for you to have to lay down in a traditional yoga nidra practice, but for you to be able to implement and sprinkle in yoga nidra into your busy life. My name is Lauren, and we are going to get started right away. Wherever you are, as long as it's safe, go ahead and close the eyes or take a soft gaze. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it out the mouth. One more time, big inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it out. And begin to imagine the body just relaxing and creating a sensation of meltiness, melting and puddling towards the floor, almost like honey melting, dripping into hot tea, relaxing from the top of the head all the way down to the tip of the toes. So everything just feels more fluid. And bring your awareness to the top of the head, letting go of thinking and beginning to feel as I name body parts, shifting your awareness now to the tip of your nose, the chin, base of the throat, both arms, all 10 fingers, navel center, both legs at once, all 10 toes. Bringing your awareness to your breath now, watching and witnessing the natural breath. And now relaxing and witnessing in a moment of silence. Becoming an observer of your natural state of rest. When you feel ready, begin to deepen the breath. And begin to notice your surroundings again. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it out the mouth. Notice how just that tiny 3-minute practice shifted you, calming you, just creating a little space of rest in your day. You can open your eyes, and your yoga nidra practice is now over. If you loved this practice, I would love to invite you to hit subscribe as I release new yoga nidras weekly, and also give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear in the comments below how you used this short 3-minute practice to create a little boost in your day. Thank you for being here.